Friday, February 24th, 2023.
Hi guys, I'm Brian.
And I'm Sam.
And welcome back to the SciTech News. And now it's time for, you guessed it, your regularly scheduled announcements.
Remember that you can still fill out the Student Athlete Mental Health Survey for student athletes at tinyurl.com/2s45e9ex. Right there for you. But you can also view it in our link tree, so waste of my time.
The Interact Club will be making cat toys for the Humane Animal Rescue of Pittsburgh after school in Miss Lazaro's room on Monday, March 6th, Tuesday, March 7th, and Wednesday, March 8th. Please see Rachel Sisson or Miss Lazaro. Feel free to help just one of these days if you can't make all three. They will also be volunteering at the Great Pittsburgh Community Food Bank's distribution on Saturday, March 11th from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. at Pittsburgh King School on the north side. Please see Miss Lazaro in room 237 or email her at jlazaro1@pghschools.org to sign up for either of these opportunities.
Now, all SciTech students are invited to submit an original work in one of these categories: poetry, visual art, multimedia, or even an essay. The theme for this year comes from ASALH, Association for Students of African American Life and History, and will be Black Resistance. There will be a top prize in each category of a SciTech t-shirt and $25. The deadline for submissions is February 28th, 2023. You may submit entries via the email scitechptocontest@hotmail.com. Please include your name, grade, email, phone number in the category of your submission. For information on our theme, please visit ASALH website at asalh.org.
Also, you can become part of SciTech history with your own tile on the SciTech memory wall. Located outside of the cafeteria, these memory tiles are memorabilia from years past, and we're bringing them back. If you're part of a student organization or a group or just on your own and you want a tile or maybe a photo, maybe a design, whatever you want, design and then purchase a SciTech memory tile. The deadline for these is 3/10/23 and it costs $20. To pay, go to scitechpto.org or just talk to Ms. Stewart in room 218. If you have any questions or you have a digital submission, email scitechptotiles@hotmail.com. Have your name, grade, and payment method. Paper submissions need to be on a square 8x8 sheet, and that paper you can get from Ms. Stewart in room 218.
Now it's time for our Black History Month fact of the episode, today submitted by Leah Shepard. Integrated schools increased collaboration skills and leadership skills and gave all children a higher chance of succeeding in a diverse environment. Also, kids who went to diverse schools were more likely to seek a diverse work environment as well. Attending racially diverse schools reduces racial bias and stereotypes. The children were also more likely to grow up to have much better health and were less likely to get arrested.
And now, we would like to offer congratulations to some school teams who have competed in different events recently. Congratulations to the SciTech Middle School Swim Team for a great team effort at the City Swim Championships. The girls came home with a first place trophy over all other middle schools in Pittsburgh Public Schools. The boys had a strong showing with a second place finish. Alex won the 50 fly, beating a competitive field along with several top 3 finishes from Sean, Dev, Sanaya, and Talia. Congratulations to all of our swimmers in the middle school.
Now, the mock trial team has completed its season with its last 2 trials against Woodland Hills and Thomas Jefferson High School. In the plaintiff's side trial, Aziz E. was recognized as our side's best attorney, and Sam Brad was our best witness. Greta Lee also got a shout out as well as a witness from one of the judges. In the defense's trial, Yara A. was recognized as our best attorney and Olivia D. was our best witness. Great job, team.
Furthermore, congratulations to the SciTech Science Olympiad team who took the first place overall prize in the first ever Pittsburgh Science Olympiad Pittsburgh City Invitational. SciTech won 8 out of 9 events and placed second in the 9th. Please wish them further success as they go on to compete in the bigger regional Southwestern PA competition next Wednesday at Penn West, California.
Now, the other week, many of you in high school may know, we were in the weird 7th grade class. Kind of weird, but we were in the gym to attend the BSU Assembly. Now we here at the SciTech News got a special look at what happened, and we are going to show you that now.
What's up, SciTech News? Welcome to this segment. Today we are here in the gym for the BSU Showcase. They're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff, but you've probably seen it by the time this episode is out, so we're just going to give a real quick recap of what happens. Well, I think we're going to learn a lot of interesting information today. I think we're going to have a great time.
Now let's cut over to the clips of what happened.
Welcome to the SciTech News. What's your name?
Justin Marche, being the Vice President of BSU. This event was a lot of fun to plan. I'm excited to show everyone at the school like how much fun we can have together during Black History Month, but also learning a little bit about history, so I'm very excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Perfect. Justin, the Vice President of BSU.
And we're here to welcome you to the Black History Month Game Show Assembly!
We're going to play our own rendition of Family Feud today, right? We're going to call up 2 people from each grade. They're going to go up and compete against each other. Get it right, you get the point. You get it wrong, the other team gets a chance to get the point. Let's get it started. What is the name of the famous black basketball player? Juniors and seniors both have 20. Juniors and seniors are in the lead, tied for first place.
All right, so I'm looking now.
Our next game is BHM Look at Trivia.
The seniors is eating everybody up. Oh my God.
Senior! The assembly went good. We got to go through everything we want to go through, and I feel like we taught people new things.
What was the one thing that you hope kids learned from all of this?
Literally anything. Anything is better than nothing. I think my favorite part was the booklet. I love the booklet. There's a lot of excitement going on.
And the drum roll that everybody's been waiting for. Who won in the end?
Actually, juniors and seniors had a tie. So we're figuring something out for the juniors and the seniors to be their big prize.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Asia.
No problem.
Wow, it looks pretty hot in that gym. Let's see how hot it will be today via our weather report, which of course is always 100% accurate. I got some bad news, it's not going to be all too hot today. The high is 38 and the low is 24. It's supposed to be sunny and it just might rain, but it probably will. It's only a 6% chance, but that doesn't mean anything in Pittsburgh. That's it for our weather report.
Probably gonna snow at that point.
Yeah,
Quick reminder that we have forms in the description for an announcement and a submission form for the quote of the day. You know you can view all this information at linktr.ee/scitechnews and follow us on Instagram at scitech.news. Honestly, if you don't have it bookmarked by now, either of them, if you're not following the Instagram, what are you doing? We have the 2 best people in the world running that account, and they're making this better than anything else. So follow that and bookmark the link tree.
To recap, take a survey, go interact, submit a Black History Month project, submit a memory tile, swimmy swim, mock trial, Science Olympiad, assemble, visit our link tree, follow our Instagram, and happy February.
Finally, we have our quote of the day. Always remember, nothing is ever too small. Thanks to Brandon Cruz for that very interesting quote.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching the SciTech News. And as always,
Bye,
goodbye.
everyone.
Sam would like that.
Poor Brandon.
Of course Sam would like that quote.
Wait, what was the quote?
Nothing is ever
Why
too
do
small.
I get these quotes? Everyone gets the funny ones, and I just get the ones that are just...
Thanks for watching. All links in description.